Welcome back to the channel and welcome my Ryker back to the channel, because as most of you know, my Ryker's been down and out for a while at the shop and I just got it back and I wanted to capture my first ride for you guys, so I'm doing it full on live moto vlog style. Thanks for watching. ThrillMouseMoto.
Yeah. Nice. Feels good. It feels good to be riding my Ryker again. It's just a drag because after 2 months of having my Ryker at the shop at the dealership for repairs, like, it's a drag having your first ride be riding it back from that dealership after, you know, that experience and everything. So way cool to be on it, like, on my terms, off of me wanting to go ride. So, and it feels really good. It's good to be back. I won't really know how it feels until I'm riding like on Lime Creek or something like that, something that's got twists and turns and all that. But either way, it's great to be riding. And today was like at its peak, like 87 degrees, which is awesome for here. Now I can't wait to start doing stuff to it. It's like I got it back. I want to be just stoked to have it back, but I've been riding it for what, 2 minutes now, and I'm already like, what's up with that pile of stuff that I have that I've been accumulating over the past couple months? What do I have that I can put on here? And the headers, dog. Headers have to go on here. Headers on top of something else Ricky's working on. So that's gonna be pretty tight. We're gonna turn this 600, we're gonna turn this banana into a rocket ship. Yeah, boy, it feels great. I shouldn't really be riding in direct sunlight, but I've been in a lot of shade with my hand tattoo, if you can see that on this camera. I'm not impressed. Oh, I should have went that way, huh? I'm not impressed with this camera, like, at all. I've only done one video with it. It's just so sketchy to me. Like, I'm not good at stuff, like, so I don't know if when you're recording and you're not recording, you just hear the lady say, "Recording on," and you're like, I guess I can trust you. I don't. It's great, you know, being able to do your own thing and, you know, basically manually when you have your own action camera mounted like on the front here, because you can see the screen, you can see the light, you can see all that stuff, and it's like you just can't beat chin mount, man. I just don't care what anyone says. The chin mount that's the point of view. When you're doing stuff from the side like this, it's like, it's not the same. But yeah, the tattoo, you know, you just got to be careful because that's going to kind of be on you for a minute, they say, right? Tattoos, they're on you for a little bit after you get them. So direct sunlight, especially when it's like, you can see it's all scabbing over, it's finally starting to come off. I just want to be real careful about everything, so I kind of chill out. I wanted to get in the water with the jet board this weekend, even though it's not exactly legal right now. But I was talking to Redneck Ryker. He sent me a message, and because I was talking about it on the live stream, and he's like, "Yo, don't do that." He was talking about how he had like this boat made, and they caught him like as soon as he put in the water, and they were talking about how they can take it away and stuff. I'm like, yo, I don't want my moto board taken away. So I guess I'll wait, and at the same time, like right then is when started the scab started coming off of it. And I was like, yeah, that's not the best place to have it. Best time to have it like fully submerged also too. So you're not supposed to swim either. That's why I got it all now. I was like, well, I'm not deep into something where I'm riding yet, and I'm also got some time to get the board ready before I'm, in the water with it, but I kind of don't have that much patience, so. But hopefully I'm not just talking to myself and this video is actually working. Especially since it's a drag, because I want to make it into a video and I can't have my music playing because it shows through here. Like this is what plays the music. Oh, if you actually wanted to pay attention to what I was saying about me not being impressed by this comm, it's the Sena 10C. I guess the C part makes it the camera. So it's like a video, intercom, Bluetooth to your phone all in one. And they cost money. And it says it does like, like all this cool resolution for video and all that, but I don't know about that. My DJI does all that and it looks way better than the quality that I get out of this camera. And it does not have the stabilization either from it. And it's just crazy because, I tell people this stuff all the time too about what I use, but they still get the GoPros and all that. But the 10 is out there now, and hopefully the 10 actually is better. So I'm not speaking on the GoPro 10, but everything before that is like, bro, just get a DJI. And they tell you about all this stuff, but it's like, it doesn't seem like it really pertains to moto vlogging. So what's the big deal? Especially when you find the deal or whatever on Amazon and you can get a brand new DJI Osmo Action out the door for like $190 something. It's like, just buy 2 of those. That's crazy. Just buy 2 of them. That's wild, right? Compared to the pricing of GoPro. But yeah, we'll definitely have to talk more about getting the Ryker back, but I figure use the opportunity to show how stoked I am to be riding again. Dang it. Oh, the banana is back. I'm also in the Shoei helmet. I know I don't talk about that enough, but also not the biggest fan of this helmet either, even though it's like a $400 helmet. I just have this habit of like speaking the truth with my opinion. And it's just like, money isn't everything, that's for sure, dude. It sure ain't. I'm all stoked just to be in my super cheap bottom of the line AGV compared to this big bobblehead thing. Hopefully the video turns out, and I appreciate you guys watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.